If you're like me and you have an aging senior or someone in your life that is starting to think about retirement and really trying to understand what exactly that looks like, my mom retired 2 years ago. I didn't have this. I wish I did at that point because that would have been really helpful. But this was actually sent to me for review. So it's Medicare and Social Security made simple. So a step-by-step guide to maximize your benefits, guarantee medical coverage, high standard health care, avoid costly penalties, and a stress-free retirement, which everybody wants, right? So I really like this book. I thought it was super easy to get through. It's only like 90 something pages, so really easy. You can see the text in here is pretty large. So even if you wanted to get this book for the senior that will be looking into retirement, that actually wouldn't be a bad idea at all. But this gives you information about why Medicare and Social Security are so important, the high costs of mistakes. You know, a lot of times with both of those, you can have penalties if you're not submitting in a timely manner. Also Medicare, who qualifies for it, how to enroll, Medicare versus Medicare Advantage, which is a hot topic that I had to find information on because I couldn't find it at the time. Prescription drug coverage, what it doesn't cover. I think that's actually really important because that was also something that I was interested in learning about. How to maximize your Social Security benefits, retirement planning essentials, and putting everything together so that you actually have like an action plan of exactly what are the steps that you need to do to sign up and get active. So again, I didn't have this when my mom was going through her process, so I made a lot of phone calls. Actually AI wasn't even around at that point either, so I didn't have that benefit. So having something like this that you can really guide you through and walk you through what the steps are, what the importance is, how to maximize the coverage, and also reduce any kind of financial penalties is a godsend. So definitely need this. And again, a really good table of contents in here. So if there's a specific element or a specific piece that you're looking for, you can flip right to it. And again, about 95 pages overall, so pretty easy read.